Hello, as a film fam, Earl here. Hope you're doing well. So for today's video, I'll be introducing a new segment and we'll call it Double X. Double X is basically a double exposure collaboration between me and fellow film photographers. So I got the idea when I was testing a Minolta camera. The advance never got stuck and I was only able to shoot 6 frames out of the roll. So I took the roll and loaded it into a different camera. The first 6 frames were double exposed and I was very happy with the images that were produced. Then it came to me, what if fellow film photographers would send me their exposed roll and I will double expose it? It would be an experiment and we won't know how the images would turn out. Hopefully we can produce interesting images out of it. So I posted the idea last year and Ken Prado replied. He has 2 rolls of film and he is willing to send it to me. However, he is not sure how many frames were exposed from those rolls, and that made it more interesting, as we are not really sure how many frames can we really double expose. I loaded both films on my Canon EOS 650. Now enough to the talk, let's proceed with the episode 1 of Double X featuring Ken Prado. Got into an accident while shooting the last frame from the roll. Bali naputol yung film from the canister, hindi siya nag-rewind pabalik. I know that hindi siya nag-rewind pero I still opened the film back and I destroyed 7 frames out of it. And that is why there's a ton of light leaks and following photos. And that's the end of the roll. Upon seeing the double exposed images, I must say that I was pleasantly surprised with the result. Though we were only able to produce a few double exposed images from expected, I am very happy and pleased with the images that we have produced. It was a whole new experience for me and I would love to do it again. I would like to grab this opportunity to say thank you to Ken. Ken, thank you for sending your rolls and agreeing to doing a collab with me. Looking forward for more collaborations with you in the future. By the way, please do check Ken's Instagram page at PradoKen, link in the description below. Finally, I would like to invite fellow film photographers who would like to do a double exposure collab with me, just like this one. Please let me know and let's make it happen. And that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Catch you on the next one. Peace, be good, bye-bye.